Italy, land of the vegans? Yep, today it is. This is vegan cheese. These are the free samples. This is more vegan cheese and more free samples. These are vegans. This is a vegan dessert. This is a vegan dessert. This is a vegan dessert. And more vegan stuff. This is a nice vegan person showing me all her delicious cheeses. These are people who save animals. They believe in direct action, saving them directly from harm. This is a vegan calendar. If you buy it, you're going to be contributing to raising money for this sanctuary. This is Samuel. This is Luce. This is Anastasia. This is Billy and Caronte. This is Wolf. This is Zina and Tati. This is Pedro. This is Root. This is Sole and Baleno. These are beautiful animals. All animals have a right to live and to be free and not enslaved or commodified. Thank you to everybody who is vegan and trying hard to help save the animals. These are more vegan free samples. Yummy, yummy, and yummy. Here are different vegan shirts you can buy. This one says, parental advisory, milk sucks. This is what a vegan backpack looks like. Here are some wonderful vegans having a discussion about the vegan cheeses that are here. That one, that one, that one, that one. Which one would you like to have if you could choose one? This is somebody who calls herself a feminist and is vegan. And of course you cannot be a feminist if you're not vegan. If you call yourself a feminist but you are not vegan, then you are a hypocrite because you are exploiting the female body by buying dairy products. Here we have a shirt that says, keep calm and don't eat animals. yeah. Here's a cute little hat made out of cotton, which reminds us that children love animals and every child is born vegan, never wanting to hurt them. Here are some cute vegan dogs who don't eat animals or any stolen body parts. This is a vegan man. Right, so this is a vegan athlete. This is a cool shirt and she is a runner. Hey. Here's a place that wants to protect horses in Italy. Here's a sweetie pie. Hello. 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 Here's a button that says, kiss my vegan ass. Here are some people trying to change the laws in Italy to make animal cruelty illegal. Here are some kind-hearted people who save animals.
These are beans that I create with recycling materials from Palermo.
Okay, so these are things she created with recycling materials. How pretty is this? Look at that. So cute. Okay, this is her sign. Grazie, thank you.
Ciao.
These are fermented vegan foods. And some drinks. Here are some bags that can be bought. These say, my food is grown, not born. Eat plants, save lives, save the world. spread hummus, not hate. Friends, not food. This is vegan art. Welcome to my vegan home. I see no difference. This house, we respect all lives.
This is dry onion created by me. This is dry celery created by me.
Okay, let me see. All right, cool. Very cool, and lots of other things. And this is
Elephant garlic from Tuscany.
elephant, so big garlic.
Yes, it's a big
Nothing to
garlic.
do with an elephant. All right, cool, from Tuscany. Awesome. Kombucha. Kombucha, kombucha. More kombucha. And another flavor of kombucha.
I've been vegan since 2010. What about you? Go vegan!
Yeah, I've been vegan since 2016, so you beat me. High five.
Bye bye!
This is vegan sauce. Look at that. Look for vegan items wherever you are. And of course, tofu, a complete protein. What vegan festival would be complete without free samples of tofu? More vegan cheese. More vegans connecting and happy. Beautiful vegan boots without hurting any lambs or sheep. No leather. Beautiful. Cruelty free. This one says no difference. Beautiful message. Here are some bracelets. This one says stop eating animals. Cute. All right, so I'm gonna try these. These are cheesy-like flavor, but not real cheese. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, now we're gonna try these. Eat real snacks. Linsen chip, dill flavor. All right, let's do this. Oh my God, so good. Go vegan. Why not? So easy. The present is vegan. Very cool. I have a song called The Future is Vegan. But this guy's shirt says the present is vegan, and he is right. Vegan meat. Vegan meatballs. Everything you could want. No need to harm animals. Be kind. Be vegan. Start now. This is Greek style vegan cheese. Ooh. Let's try some. Tastes the same. Why not get the vegan version? Oh my God, it's so good. Cutie patootie, cutie patootie. I'm so happy to meet you. No? Cutie patootie, cutie patootie. I'm so happy to meet you.
290, 85 km e devo dirvi che per 3 anni consecutivi, 3 anni, ha vinto il titolo.
And as you can see, vegan babies are happy, vegan babies are healthy, and so are their mamas. Here we can get some different kinds of herbs. They sold out of stevia. This is a vegan book for children to teach them love and compassion. Here's a sandwich container for a vegan child that says, "Meat is murder." These are beautiful vegans connecting here in Milan at the Veg Festival. These are caring vegans having a conversation about saving animals. This is a shirt that says speciesism is racism. There's another one. This is a guy who represents the shop here where they are plastic free and vegan. They have all these different products here, including these vegan bars and some different products. Very cool. These are vegan milks. Look, you got rice milk, you got oat milk. Check it out. All different kinds. Soy milk. Did you know that not all wine is necessarily vegan? But these are. Hey, another vegan athlete. They seem to be everywhere. These are vegan shoes. They're not made with leather. They're made with love. Vegan power team. These are all amazing athletes. Check this out. Doesn't this look like a fun group to be part of? This is a book that says it's vegan propaganda, but it's actually not. It's the truth. This is a shirt that says, "Yes, I'm vegan." This is a cute little doggy. Hello, sweetie pie. And some more cute little doggies. Hello. This is me, having lots of fun. These are more different vegan food items.
This is a sweet confectionery product made with sesame tahini. Gluten-free, lactose-free, vegan, and sugar-free.
Woo! These are more samples of vegan cheeses. Here are the packages if you ever want to buy them. These are ethically sourced almonds from Italy. This is a type of vegan meat that you can put into tacos. Check it out. All right.
Go vegan.
What?
Go vegan.
I'm sorry, what?
Go vegan.
Oh! These are people listening to animal rights activists who are talking about saving animals and the planet and human health.
All'interno della loro striscia di terra, almeno quelle, la fine dell'occupazione e il diritto al ritorno dei rifugiati.
These are vegan socks. Check them out. These are happy vegans. These are books by vegan artists. These are happy vegans getting their picture taken. This is a place that sells vegan ice cream. Woo! Yes, beer can be vegan, and doesn't this look delicious? Oh my God. Yeah. So vegan junk food is a thing. As you can see, this just looks like any other junk food. Don't eat too much of that though. This is a pamphlet talking about how every animal deserves a name. And here's another one. Nuts and wine, nuts and wine, have them together and have a wonderful time. Wait, was that olive oil or wine? I'm all mixed up.
poi noi mettiamo un po' più ridotto la
Yup, underwear can be vegan. Most underwear already is. Most of it is not made with wool or feathers or leather. Well, sometimes I guess it can. So much to see here. So much to learn. This is an organization called Anonymous for the Voiceless. This is an organization that gets together to show what actually happens in the industry. If you want to join a chapter, just look it up. Anonymous for the Voiceless. Here's a wonderful pencil case. To the world, you may be just one crazy vegan, but to the animals, you are their only hope. Beautiful message. Thanks for spending time with me today. If you find value in my work, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, press the notification bell, help us get the animals out of hell, and help the world become vegan. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.